Hello! I am going to spend the next few minutes going over the recent additions to the Galactic course. I feel like I never do this. I usually send emails or just quickly announce what's new every few months, but I should probably just do a video each time, like it's just, why not? So here I'll just go quickly over what I just added within the last few weeks, just to show you guys really quickly. By the way, we are now at over 2,000 members. And all combined, I think we have like almost 1,000 lessons, which is crazy. I think we're at like 949 or something. Crazy. So the first improvement I have made, which is the most major one, is the addition of subtitles and translations. So if we go to a random lesson, for example, here, if I click on CC, we can activate subtitles. So we have 4 languages. I can click on English by default, as you can see here, and you have translations. So German, Spanish, and French. So this is really cool, and especially since you can also easily automatically translate all the text using your browser, which this means that now all the courses are fully translated in 4 languages, which is great. What you can also do with your subtitles is to go to search video. And here you can look for something, for example, Petzval, and be directed directly to where it is in the video. So this is now available in pretty much all the videos. I'm just finishing up with a couple courses that I still have to add those to, but now almost everything is ready. So great improvement. One more addition, which is mostly in one of the processing guides, for example. If you download a file that has our PixInsight icons, in this case like this here, I now have added descriptions to them, so you can click on the red dot and you can quickly be reminded as to what this is for. And yeah, just in case you forget and don't want to reopen the video or the guide, now you have a quick way to see what each of these shortcuts are for. Next, I have also added several new lessons. For example, we have one right here in the Filters Mastery chapter, which is all about how to set up filter offsets in Nina, which is something useful. There's also some, if you go to Mount and Guiding Mastery, now you will find a lesson on how to create pointing models with both the 10 micron mount and another one for the software-based mounts, so using the SkyX. So those are very useful if you have those mounts. I have also added a new lesson in the beginner processing guide about fast batch preprocessing, as well as a new video in the Milky Way course, which is all about a walkthrough of the Star Adventurer Pro, which is a star tracker. I don't know why I didn't do it back then, but I was like, I should have added a video about showing the star tracker in detail, so I did that. There is also a new lesson in the remote imaging course. This one just shows you how to do a specific setting on your computer if you have some black bands on the sides. So you have to go into the Windows settings and all that. So I added this in there because I have that issue myself. So hopefully this will help some of you. And that is it so far for the new lessons that I have added recently. I also did some additions to the raw data pack. If we open that. Yeah, so we now have 43, or at least 40-ish data sets, so or masters that you can process and practice with. So very nice. So the ones I've added recently are the Wizard Nebula, which is 97 hours, the Veil Nebula with a smart telescope, the Iris Nebula, 15 hours, the North America and the Pelican Nebula for 15 hours, and Caroline's Rose. So that's a beautiful cluster. So these were all added recently, so go ahead and find them in there and try to process these, especially the Wizard Nebula, because 97 hours is nice. Oh, and talking about processing, if you go to any processing guide now, you will be able to find, let's go to the Galaxy one, for example. If you go to the very end, to the conclusion, you will find a workflow summary, and now you can just find a very quick summary page of all of the processes used and why. And that is it so far. I am working on, like always, on adding more and more and enhancing the course continuously. I am very happy that we reached 2,000 members, so thank you so much. And I will have a 10% off discount below if you want to join any of the courses. It works with everything on the site, and so grab it and join us, because there is so much content now. I feel more and more proud of the site. I keep enhancing it non-stop. So yeah, and the Galactic Lounge also, which is still new, I'm hoping to make it very interesting over time. And I'll do a video maybe every few months, just going over the new additions. That way both members and non-members can see it and yeah, see if they like it. So see you guys next time, and class guys.